Look how many stores they got out in the back roads. This is between Saigon and I don't know, Long An, the other side of Long An. The back road that comes around. There's so much new stuff that pops up here all the time. Look at that. Oh, we got a turn up here. Beep, 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 beep. Stuff here. Here they're selling plastic pots and pans and baskets and stuff. I don't know what the store is like that. Here's the ferry right here. This is where you get the ferry. Here, you want to take it? Here's where you catch the ferry. You come over here and go in there. There goes the ferry now. Okay, and we got the other one that's going to come across and get us. So once the other one comes over and unloads, they'll go out that way and we'll go in this way. Look at all the people. Let's see. I got the bike, don't worry. Here comes the boat. I don't know what that other one's doing. He's trying to back up and turn around or something. Some ferries you can drive through. This one doesn't. You have to go in, turn around, and then come back. Okay, here we are. We're on top of the ferry. Look at that boat. It's up on the shoreline there. I think that thing's seen better days or something. Old Gilligan Island boat. Let's see. Look at all the people on the boat. Oh my God. There's a skipper up at top. There's a guy driving the boat.
Lên qua đây rồi thì các dịch vụ có gì? Bên đây là phải chiều qua
Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. Hit the button, please. Thank you. I really appreciate everybody subscribing. I got more viewers than subscribers. So help me out, everybody. Thanks. Really appreciate it. Happy New Year to everybody, too. This is what life's all about right here. Just nice and peaceful. Man. People just enjoy themselves. There's no danger over here if you just come and you're polite. Look how peaceful the water is over here. There's another one. I think we're almost ready. A couple more, maybe. A few more, and that's about it, huh? Comes another one. Something's going on. I hear the boat vibrating. 1, 2. We're on the road, everybody. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. How about that? Now you got to put it in forward. And off we go. They just missed the boat. But the other one comes. As soon as we take off, the other one takes off. It's a good racket, all these people on here, and they got to pay to get on. How much it costs us to get on here?
6,000 for both.
6,000 for 2 adults and a motorbike to cross the river. And you probably got 50 people. We probably got about 50 or 75 people on here. No cars on this one. The one coming over there has a car on it, or a van. So comes a little boat. See our house over there? I can't see. Where's our house? There's the blue building, and there's the green one. We live next to the green one somewhere. Look at this guy cruising along. That's those people's lives. They live on the boat, they work on the boat, and they make their money. Some people do very good. Hold this, Rachel. Everybody coming off the ferry, look at them. Look at all these people are on there with us. A whole bunch. Look at everybody, hauling paintings, everything, people working. It's amazing. There's a girl on her bike, got an electric bike. Here, look over here. They got oh, look at this. They built a restaurant here on the side. Look, there's something. We know the guy that built this place. They got property back here.
Like a roast 4 mat and deep 20 mat. It's about 1,200,000-300,000.
How much is that?
About 60,000.
60,000 for just a lot right around here, about, give or take. And Then you gotta build.
More nice, 370.
Yeah. It's like they got in the morning they got a market here. I'm riding with one hand so I can film. This is Long End, Gun York right here. Property for sale back here. All this real estate's for sale. A lot of these are new homes. This came up this last year here. This one here is new. That white one. This one's new. That one's been here a couple of years, I think. This one. And here's the market. They got big water tanks here. Look at it. Here we go. Look at this. A little market in their house. That's nice, huh? What's that, the realtor's office? The realtor. Nah, is that for sale or no? That's the one that sells property. Here we go! Riding back, we're gonna go down by the hospital. We got a big hospital up here. Here's the hospital in Gun York. This is a big one. They're just adding on to it too. They're adding another section on it. Very, very nice that part they're adding on. This is a new piece, isn't it? There's the hospital right there. In the back, they got another one. So they're making it big. See in the back? It's gonna be huge. And we go this way. Here's the pharmacy here.